Tax refund. So how can you get your tax refund faster and cheaper? Gonna talk to an accountant just a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we have buyers to buy their live home and sellers to sell their house. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So listen, if you're looking to buy, sell more, or invest in real estate, contact us. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So today we're continuing on a tax refund series, tax series. So, okay, the last video that we did is about what can you deduct to reduce your tax liability, right? So today, okay, now you reduce your tax liability, you're getting some refund. How can you get it faster and cheaper? So, of course, I don't know how to do that. Going to the expert, Zoe. Introduce yourself again.
Everybody, I'm Zopia Alumase of Alumase Accounting and Consulting. I am your resident CPA here.
All right, resident CPA. Okay, I like that. So, Zoe, how can anybody get their tax refund faster?
Well, to get your tax return faster, it really starts at the beginning, right? It's just a simple, quick point that most of us may overlook is to make sure that your tax return is correct. I can't tell you how many times that people have submitted a return and they've either omitted something or made a small error that would have caused the IRS to send letters back, and that can set you back significantly. So make sure you have everything correct the first time.
Okay, so if somebody has everything correct the first time, how soon can they expect to get their tax refund?
Yeah, typically if everything is right, and you opted to electronically file your return, which is the most prominent way, but you'll be surprised that there are some people who are still mailing in their return, and that can delay a lot of things for you. So if you are e-filing your return, electronically filing it, you can expect that your refund should come within about 21 days. The IRS says that like 9 out of 10 returns come within that period in a normal year, right? But we know that we're post 2020 in the middle of a pandemic, so normalcy is not easy to come by. But typically, a 21-day period is when you can expect a refund if you electronically file.
Okay, so let's talk now. The other question is cheaper, faster and cheaper. So now during the tax return, you get people that say you can get your tax refund back in 24 hours. What is the difference between that and the 21 days?
So cheaper, it depends, right? If you wait the time period for the refund to come to you, I mean, you're going to get it without any fees attached to it, right? So, but when you hear people offer like the opportunity to get your refund much faster within like 24 hours or 2 days or something like that, they're using a bank product. And what that is just, it's in a very simple terms, it's like an advanced loan to you in the event that your refund, in an expectation that your refund is going to come later. Right? So that could be a thing, right? But personally, I wouldn't recommend it highly, right? Because the loans can add more risk to you.
Okay, so when you see people that say you can get it in 24 hours or bring your W-2 to our store, people do it, some people do it. Bring your W-2 to the store and we'll do your tax refund. You can buy it immediately. You're saying there's some fees associated with that?
Yeah, that's actually a more expensive way to get your refund. The cheapest way to get your refund is just to wait. To get your refund faster, you go to those places and they can charge you exuberant fees. Like they say, okay, bring me your W-2, bring me your tax return, I prepare it. You qualify for $1,000 refund. Okay, I'm going to give you $800 now and charge you a fee. Maybe even if we don't get that refund from you, we're going to charge you interest on the difference that we don't receive. So it can be more expensive by not waiting the full period and trying to go around and find different ways to get that money
faster. Okay, so then if you want to compare, which I know you said, do you do that 24-hour refund? Do you do that?
No, my firm does not do that. The only thing that only bank product that we provide is payment of tax fees with a refund. So if you have a refund that's adequate in size, you can opt to pay our tax preparation fees through that refund. But that's only us. We're going to wait the whole period, whether it's 2 days or 21 days.
Oh, okay. I'm going to come back to that in a minute. So the one that are doing rapid refund, you need to look at the fine print, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's so I mean, it's so interesting that like your impatience or urgency is going to cost more. And so we said, how do we get it faster and cheaper? Like faster or expensive, or cheaper and a little slower. That's all.
21 days is not a long time, but then, people anticipate, they look at the tax and really want to spend it. But at the same time, what we're saying is faster, less than 21 days is not going to be cheaper. It's going to be more expensive.
Exactly.
So look at the fine prints. When they say 2 days, bring your stuff, look at the fine print, you're really going to pay a lot on the interest rate. Like, just from your experience, what are the interest rate you're seeing?
They can be anything, right? And so there's interest rates out there that are like 30% interest.
Whoa!
Right.
Wait a minute. Wait. 30%?
Yeah, 30% interest. They can be worse than credit cards or be on par with credit cards. Yeah.
Nobody should be doing that.
Very risky. And so with that risk out there, right, I would advise my clients 2 things: is to not put yourself in a financial position where you're reliant on your tax refund. That's the worst place that you can be on, because sometimes you feel like you have the choice to whether or not you need to go and get your refund quickly because you have something to pay for. So it's a lot of the clients that I coach, I teach them about, financial management for the entire year, stewarding how much they have, so that during refund time, the refund is just a boost, not a lifeline.
That's a different. It's just a boost, not a lifeline. But if you're looking at your refund as a lifeline, then you are more pressure to go and get paid. Like seriously, more like a payday loan.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And 30% interest rate is high. Wow, that's crazy. But the other thing that you said is, so somebody decided, maybe they didn't watch this video, they decided to go and do the payday loan and do that quick tax refund. Say if something happened, right? Maybe something happened in the refund and they didn't get they did not get their refund from IRS in 21 days, and they've already taken this loan. What's going to be happening to that loan right now?
The interest on that loan is going to start accruing, because the company or people that you went to receive the fast cash, they're going to put a time limit on when they're going to get their money. Once that time limit lapses, you're going to be paying interest on each day, each week. It's going to continue to accrue. And for those who may have done that for 2020, it can be a scary time because refunds were delayed because of the pandemic. Those are things that are unexpected. You can't account for, like delays with the IRS agency. You can't even account for sometimes if your tax return had an omission or an error in it, which adjusted the refund that you might receive. So that just brings it back to the beginning point. Making sure that things are correct. Right. So if things aren't even correct, you add more risk to your fast cash loan.
Okay, so please, nobody should be doing that. Okay, the other thing that you said was that the only product that you offer is somebody is doing their tax refund and the fee is high. They can opt to pay their fee from the tax refund.
Yeah. So for a small nominal fee, a small charge like an e-filing fee, if you have adequate refund space, you can say, okay, can I pay you with the refund I get instead of going directly to your bank account and paying up front? My firm offers that. We do that all the time if you qualify for it. And It adds some flexibility in there, and that flexibility is only present if your refund is like a boost to you.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. All right. So if you want to get your tax refund faster and cheaper, so
Hey, you're gonna have to e-file that return, check everything, make sure it's correct. Check your direct deposit information, make sure that's clear. And you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient.
and so we're saying nobody should be doing what? The fast cash.
No, you should not be doing fast cash.
Don't
No
do fast cash.
You do fast cash, you pay more cash.
That's
Expensive cash.
oxymoron, right? That's oxymoron. So listen, especially if you're thinking of using your refund to do something substantial, like down payments on a house or buy a car, don't do fast cash transfer. Wait 21 days. Zoe said it, and I'm saying it because the interest rates on those payday loan, really their payday loan is crazy. Nobody should be doing it. All right. So thank you so much. We are going to talk about IRS audits on our next video. Ooh, nobody wants to hear that. Listen, this is KG. Zoe?
Yeah, I'm Zoe. I'm Zopia of Olumese Accounting Consulting. You can find me at olumeseac.com. That's OLUMESEAC.com. You can also find me at any other social media platform, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Just type in Zopia or even Google me. I promise you I'm the only one there.
All right. That's what it is. It is the only Zopia on Google. I know that, right?
Yeah.
I'm probably the only KG. I'm not sure. Yeah. Anyway, listen, this is KG with Fairfax Realty. If you're looking to buy, sell, move, or invest in real estate, contact me below. I'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Ciao.